This is one of the horrible questions if you want to know how beaches form or sand dunes form. There's a chance of it coming up in your exam this year, but let's just go into beaches first. So you need to know there's two types of beaches. So let's look at it. Look at the two different types of beaches. We've got sandy beach and we've got like a pebble beach, like we call that shingle. Now, again, we need to look at the differences between the types of beaches and maybe how do beaches actually form. So first of all, the difference is how do beaches form? Well, really, it's because the waves lose their energy, and deposition occurs. So waves lose their energy. Remember that. Now, that's fine, but you need to know the differences first of all. Look at between the two beaches. I would say the type of waves. So hold on, let me just go through all of this very quickly. So sandy beach, in terms of waves, it will have constructive waves. They have smaller, fine material in terms of differences. The swash is greater, and it's got a shallow profile, meaning it's very wide and flat, essentially, again because it's not like being taken away in terms of so much sand, and the beaches are quite long. Shingle beaches are going to be much more shorter. Look, can you see there's not much space between the sea and the actual land? So destructive waves, because all the kind of materials being taken away, just these large pebbles left behind. Pebble beaches, so we said that they're larger in size. Backwash is stronger, so a lot of material is taken away, like the smaller sand. Larger ones are left behind. And again, pebble beaches have a steep profile, so it's a bit of an angle, they're a bit of a slope. Again, they don't stretch very far. Is there anything else? So there you go. Look at this question. So I would say describe how different types of beaches are formed through deposition. So I'll talk about beaches formed due to deposition as waves lose their energy, material is dropped. For example, sandy beaches. Let's look at that. They form because of constructive waves. All you've got to mention is that, oh yeah, the swash is stronger than the backwash, so more material is pushed up the beach through the stronger waves. Okay. And again, you can very quickly say that there's going to be a weaker backwash. Then you quickly talk about different types of beaches. So you've got to talk about the sandy beach, and I'd mention very quickly the destructive beaches, well, like shingle beaches where there's larger pebbles. The shingle beaches with the pebbles are formed through what? Destructive waves. The backwash is stronger than the swash. The smaller particles are removed, so therefore leaving behind the larger pebbles. They want to know that you can describe the two types of beaches based on wave energy, what kind of beaches form. So this one, obviously, constructive waves, weaker energy. So, there'll be lots of sand here. There'll be lots of pebbles left behind because the smaller sand is taken away because the waves are stronger here. So again, make sure you mention all these kind of words. You should be quite okay. Let's look at sand dunes very shortly now.